There are different ways by which people get your hack on Facebook from your Facebook account. One of the way I'm going to show you in this video, people get hacked because they fail to understand some things as far as social media is concerned. So in this video, there is one trick I'm going to show you that you need to pay attention to if you don't want your Facebook account to get hacked. Okay, so let's head over to my Facebook. Right here, this person here is tried to message me some minutes ago that good day DRS, how are you doing? So you can see my response fine. I'm contesting for an ambassador spot at an event, influencer, stuff like that. So this is the person message. I say no problem, I can vote for you. Okay, so he state further that thanks for your support, and then I just sent you the voting access numbers. Just copy it and send it back to me. That is your voting number. Let me forward it to my sponsor, stuff like that. And I was like, everybody is not really stupid, okay? So I just play along with it. He still asks me, have you received it? Question me, stuff like that. I decide not to say anything until I told him this: your format is very nice, just keep it up, you know. And eventually he sent me code. Now let me show you the code. Right here, this is the code he sent to me. You can see the code on the screen right here. So one thing here is that immediately you copy this code and send it back to this idiot, believe me, your Facebook account is gone. Now, one thing about these people hacking people's Facebook account is this: the method they use to they normally use is that they will target one of your friends that have large followers. They will hack the person account if the person is very careless. Okay, so once they hack the person account, they will begin to message you guys and to hack multiple people account. So this person here is one of my friends on Facebook. So if I click on the profile, you see that it's my Facebook friends view on profile. So you can see this is the person's name, but it's not the real person behind this account now. So an hacker has already hacked this account and tried to hack other people. You can see he has multiple followers, about 1,600 and something followers on Facebook. So they will try to message all his or her followers, and immediately you fall, you will get hacked also, and it spread like that. So guys, you need to be very much careful in people you interact with and people you talk to on Facebook, so that your account will not get hacked. This is just a simple tip I have for you guys. So if you have something like this, just make sure that you don't fall victims. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.